broadcast is also relayed to a transmitter near Sandburg on a frequency of 162.425 megahertz. Here is the latest weather forecast, or visit weather.gov for the latest weather information. And we'll bring the weather radio station is temporarily off the air.
No way!
Please tune to an alternate weather radio broadcast or visit weather.gov for the latest weather information.
No way!
Likely the weather radio station is temporarily off the air. Please tune to an alternate weather radio broadcast or visit weather.gov for the latest weather information.
No way!
Right time, the weather radio station is temporarily off the air. Please tune to an alternate weather radio.
No way! Guys, KWO37 is off the air, and a child abduction emergency took it off the air. Alright, let's see if we can get it on AM. Alright, let's see if they relay this and
doesn't pass on Friday, the administration will move on to tax reform.
Look at this!
Now the numbers just don't add up.
Child abduction emergency took KWO37 off the air.
It is by the National Weather Service in Oxnard,
Here we
California.
go.
Transmitted from the tower on Mount Lucas in the San Gabriel Mountains. This broadcast
I barely came home.
transmitter near Sandburg on a
Let me get this.
162.425 megahertz.
52-year-old Callum
Saturday. Inside sliding low pressure system will delay warming and bring windy conditions by Monday.
Khalid Masood seems